Good morning, children. This is A. Manoj Kumar, working in Oxford High School, Pugunduru. Last session, I explained you vegetables, orchards, houses located in Penamakuru. Now, in this session, I am going to explain animal rearing in Penamakuru, then basket weaving, pig rearing, and fishing, poultry in Penamakuru, rice mill in Penamakuru, road transport and market systems in Penamakuru. Then finally, availability of labor in Penamakuru. All those topics we are going to cover. Let me explain about animal rearing. Okay, na? In your area, in your village, generally we are seeing, okay, na? People are rearing different kinds of animals like buffaloes, cows, etc. etc. Okay, na? Then they are collecting milk and selling in the outside. Okay, milk dairies we have there, they are selling, or else they are going to houses and selling the milk. Here, animal rearing. If you see Penamakuru total area, total land is cultivating, different crops growing. In every area, if you go and see Penamakuru, everywhere cultivation is taking place. So that not much land for grazing cattle. That means not much land available for grazing cattle. So we can observe few bullocks, cows and sheep are rearing in Penamakuru. Very few bullocks, cows they are rearing. Where in Penamakuru? Why? Because most of the land cultivating land. Okay, na? Different purposes they are using that land because the land is fertile. Okay, see, then basket weaving and pig rearing and fishing. Generally, how baskets are weaving? Baskets are weaving by collecting data palm threads. Okay, na? Then they are making the baskets and selling outside. See, in Pamakuru also, same like that. Banks of Bandar Canal, 50 to, we can observe 50 to 20 basket weaving families. They are living banks of Bandar Canal. Okay, na? Then they are weaving the baskets. How they are weaving the baskets? Just now I told you. Okay, now they are collecting the data, palm threads, and making the baskets. Then, so they are. What is the main occupation of those persons? Catching rats, rearing pigs. Okay, now. So those are the main occupations of those persons. In your textbook, Jagannath Nancharaya, okay, name given, mentioned, 30 years ago, he came to that area, that particular area. Who? Jagannath Nancharaya. Okay, na? Then generally, Jagannath Nancharaya collecting the data palm strands, making baskets. Per day, they are making 5 to 6, okay, na, baskets. Okay, then another example also he quoted in your textbook regarding Katta Sivaya. Who? Katta Sivaya. So Katta Sivaya, by using basket traps going to canal and okay na, catching the fishes. Who? Katta Sivaya. Basket traps, by using basket traps they are catching the fishes. In our area also, if you have any canal, any river, people are going, fishermen are going by using nets or else basket traps, they are catching the fishes. These are the general phenomena we are observing. General things we are observing. Then poultry in Penamakuru. In our surroundings, we are seeing poultries. In Penamakuru, one fully machinized poultry is there. Okay, then water supplying through nipples. How? Okay, poultry getting water, by using the nipples, they are sending water. Food also supplied through conveyor belts. Okay, na? Through the conveyor belts, they are supplying food to hens. Okay, then in that poultry contains 80,000 hens. How many hens that poultry have? 80,000 hens. Then per day, these hens laying 50,000 eggs. How many eggs? 50,000 eggs. You are also eating love. Okay, you are also love eating eggs. Then rice mill in Penamakuru. Like our area, Penamakuru also, in Penamakuru, they have one rice mill. So farmers are generally, they are selling their, paddy to rice mill and collecting money. How these rice mill owners they will do? What they will do? By collecting the paddy, they are making the rice. They are selling that rice to outside markets. Who? That owners of this rice mill. See, rice mill. There is a rice mill in Penamakuru. Owners purchase a paddy. Then after purchasing that paddy, what they will do? Prepare rice. Okay, na? Afterwards, what they will do? Sell in other places, other markets. Okay, such a way they are getting the profits. Who? Rice mill owners. Then poultry and rice mill. These are two agriculture based industries. Poultry and rice mill. So that we can say these industries are called agro industries. Very very important. Note down. Poultry, rice mill, both are agricultural based industries. Okay, now where we are getting the rice through the lands. Okay, now farmers are sowing crops. Afterwards, then they are cutting the crop. They are taking the yield. Such a way from the nature they are getting. Poultry. Okay, they are. It is also through the nature all things can develop. So that poultry and rice mill based on agriculture industries. See, poultry, little bit clear explanation I will give. Hence, we are observing in the poultry. Okay, these rice, then other things eating these hens. By eating those, material, that means food items, these hens grow up. Isn't it or not? So that we can say poultry and rice mill agro based industries. Very very important. That's why I stressed again and again. Then road transport system and markets in Penamakuru area. Our areas fully developed areas. We have good connectivity. That means good roads, metal roads. Okay, and other kinds of roads we have. Like that, they also road network well developed in Penamakuru, providing connectivity to many towns and cities. Which one? These roads connecting to other places, perfectly connecting to other places like towns and cities. They have Bandar, Uyyuru, then Vijayawada, very near to Penamakuru. So farmers sell sugarcane, especially already before class I told you they are giving preference to cash crops. That's why sugarcane in some areas they are growing sugarcane. These sugarcane they are sending to Uyyuru. Why they are sending to Uyyuru? So in Uyyuru sugarcane factory is there. There some process is going on. Okay, that's why these farmers sell their sugarcane at Uyyuru. Uyyuru sugarcane factory is situated. Vegetables they are growing. Banana they are growing. Sapota, then different kinds of fruits, orchards, vegetables they are growing. These are all supplied to various places through organized system. Which system? Road system. Okay na. So vegetables, banana supplied to Raitu Bazars, which is in Uyyuru and Vijayawada. We know about the Raitu Bazars. If you go Raitu Bazar with cheap prices, you are able to purchase the desired vegetables. Okay na? Then availability of labor. In the people who are living in Penamakuru, they are getting the work every day because that is fertile land. Every time they are growing different kinds of crops, so that they are attaining work every day, daily basis. In some surrounding area people also, that means agriculture laborers, they are coming and doing work at Penamakuru area. That only I mentioned here. Some agriculture laborers come from surrounding areas, they are working in that fields. Which fields? Penamakuru fields. Youth who studied 10th class and above, they are working in different occupations. Different kinds of jobs they are doing, like working as electricians, auto drivers. Such a jobs they are taking up. So everything we covered in Penamakuru, a village in Krishna Delta. So I am ending up this topic with these topics. I am ending up this lesson with these topics. Then we finished 3A, 3B. Two topics we covered. Do you understand? Okay, na? We'll meet in the next session.